Good morning, seventh graders. We're not going to have a test today. We're going to have it tomorrow. And today I'm going to review some of the problems that I think might be a little difficult for you on the test. Not too bad, but there's some concepts that some of you are not quite understanding yet. Now, on the website, I'm going to have you look at different examples of problems similar to what we're having on the test. So go over those examples. You do not have to work the examples. They're worked for you. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at some of these problems. All right. If we have a spinner, and again, use your imagination. Just pretend that all these are equal segments, okay? All right, let's call this A, B, C, D, E. Let's just put K just to be different, okay? All right. Now, the question is, if we spin the spinner twice, okay, now that you need to remember, we're spinning it twice, what is the probability of falling on a vowel both times? Now, I hope you know your vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So here we have two vowels. So we put a 2 in our numerator. That's what we're looking for, will be a vowel. We have 6 choices in all, so we put 2 over 6. Now, 2 over 6 will simplify to 1/3. So let's write 1/3. Now that's the first spin. The second spin, nothing has changed. We're still looking for the probability of getting a vowel. So it's still 1/3, but we have to multiply 1/3 times 1/3, and we get 1/9. So the probability of getting a vowel on each of those spins would be 1/3 times 1/3 equals 1/9. Some of you have been missing problems similar to this on your homework. So I hope you understand, and if you don't, just call me. Okay, there's another one I wanted to look at. And, this is not real difficult, but sometimes we make it difficult. Suppose we have a rectangular prism that's 2 meters by 1 meter by 1 meter, and we're wanting to change the volume to, instead of cubic meters, to cubic centimeters. Now, the volume in meters would be 2 meters times 1 meter times 1 meter, which would be 2 cubic meters. Now we want to change that to cubic centimeters, and we're going to use our unit multipliers. Now the 2 is going to stay 2, but I'm going to have meters, meters, meters over 1. Now we know that there are 100 centimeters in a meter, so we're going to have to multiply, and we're going to put 100 centimeters over 1 meter, so that meters and meters will cancel. But we have meters, 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 so we're going to have to do this 2 more times, and look at me, I have run out of room, so I'm going to put it down here. Sorry about that, class. So now we have 2 times 100 times 100 times 100. All right? So let's just write that. We have 2, we have 100, 100, 100, put our commas, and we get cubic centimeters. Whoops, cubic centimeters. Now, let me just remind you that there are 100 centimeters in a meter, but when you have a cubic centimeter, you're going to have to say 100 times 100 times 100. I hope that doesn't confuse you. But anyway, on the lesson today, make sure that you look at those examples, and if you have a particular problem, please let me know. All right, good luck on the test tomorrow. Love you, miss you. Bye.